Sunshine Biopharma, the stock was 28 cents last Friday. All right, it's $1.80 now. It's up 533%. Factor that in to whatever you're thinking here. We've had a couple of big moves. Both of them were on volume. The second move, more volume, more amplitude of that move. That took us above 250, although we've backed off a little bit here. I didn't see any of the news here.
So what's happening here with SBFM is they reported their quarterly earnings on I think it was Wednesday afternoon, or I'm sorry, no, there was an offering that they had on Tuesday after the market had closed. Then the next day they had their quarterly earnings, and those two events. I'm sorry if I have you go to the chart. It may be a pain in the ass to actually see the price action, but this caused a massive sell-off in Sunshine Biopharma, and it sold off like multiple days last week. I think this is the rebound off that selling. You'd have to look at a daily chart, unfortunately. And that's where it's going to be like that.
Oh, I got you. Well, you know what we can do? I see. So you were already, okay, here you go.
Yeah.
So here's the big move down and now the bounce back, right?
That's exactly what I'm seeing happen here. So I think this is just a rebound. There wasn't really any news tied to this move. I think it's just the massive overselling was, scanned, and it was attracted to, traders, and they just started hitting this. The company does have some revenue and some cash, and based on their current cash burn runway, it looks like they've got more than a year before they'd have to raise capital again. Now, I don't know if they're going to need to fund some other clinical trial or if there's something else in the pipeline they're going to want to get going, but at this current cash burn rate, they don't have a need to raise cash soon. Now, aside from that offering that I mentioned earlier, which has already affected the stock's price action. So as far as resistance goes to the upside here, now that we're coming back up to it, I have 210 and 250 as resistance. If we start to lose these levels again and head down, 150 and VWAP are my support levels that I see.
Okay, and excuse me, and I'm looking at this. I got a fair value gap here. Now, I will say that this candle down and the bounce candle, we got that at about, 820, 825. These did touch the top end of it, but they did not trade into the gap. So I think you could still consider this an unmitigated fair value gap. Also, the bottom of the fair value gap lines up directly with the VWAP 13. So I think that the trade plan here, pretty straightforward.